how to safely melt belly fat after 50. Avoid heavy jumping that ruins your joints. Fat loves to trap around your waist. Try this gentle 19-minute Tai Chi to dissolve fat and protect your knees. 3, 2, 1, go. First movement, side to side arm swing. Keep your shoulders loose and completely relaxed. This helps flatten your stomach, slim your waist, and relieve stubborn neck stiffness. Feel the fat burning now. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, front tap with arm extension. Keep your knees slightly bent. This powerful movement stimulates blood flow, unblocks shoulder tension, and works to melt deep belly fat effectively. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, march with arm swing. Engage your lower ABS as you step. This simple fat-burning exercise helps tighten core muscles, boot up metabolism, and gently reverse your joint age. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, high knee with arm swing. Lift your knees high and smooth. This directly targets belly fat, helps burn abdominal grease, and relieves lower back tightness instantly. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, arm hug and open. Coordinate with your natural breathing. This is amazing for anti-aging, opening a blocked chest and neck while sculpting a slimmer waistline. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, twisting arm swing. Allow your waist to drive the motion. This deep twist squeezing out belly fat, flattens your stomach, and fully releases whole body stiffness. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, low impact knee raise. Step back lightly each time. This acts to tighten core muscles, blast away love handles, and reverse your joint age instantly. Feel the heat in your midsection. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, dynamic marching swing. Pump your arms rhythmically. This powerful motion melts deep body fat, accelerates calorie burn, and completely releases severe whole body stiffness. Stay focused on your core. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, lateral side stretch. Bend directly to your side. This powerful motion melts stubborn waist fat, slims your waistline, and fully releases deep side body stiffness. Feel the intense burn in your obliques. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, squat with overhead stretch. Clasp your fingers above your head. This incredible movement targets stubborn thigh fat, builds lower body strength, and effectively burns abdominal grease for anti-aging. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, step back chest expansion. Open your chest completely. This open movement dissolves fat around your waist, unblocks chronic shoulder tension, and leaves your upper body feeling incredibly light. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, lateral stretch with hug. Extend side to side with a deep reach. This creates a strong lateral burn to slim your waistline, melt visceral fat, and relieve stubborn ribcage tightness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, overhead cross to low body hug. Cross your arms smoothly and bend from your hips. This deep motion targets stubborn visceral fat, slims your waistline, and melts stomach fat effectively. Feel your core tightening. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, alternating shoulder tap and punch. Keep your lower body perfectly stable. This continuous movement unblocks shoulder tension, alleviates chronic back pain, and serves to burn belly fat actively for anti-aging. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, high toe touch kick. Lift your foot with absolute control. This intense calorie burner flattens your stomach, slims your waist, and tightens your core. Feel the abdominal grease burning away with each repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, lunge with deep chest expansion. Press your chest forward dynamically on the lunge. This deep stretch unblocks tight shoulders, releases whole body stiffness, and works to melt stubborn abdominal fat efficiently. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, marching front and back clap. Clap firmly with relaxed elbows. This aerobic coordination boosts up metabolism, tightens your core, and helps flatten your stomach significantly. Feel the intense full body fat burn. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, downward arm swing with calf raise. Lift your heels high and squeeze your calves. This motion promotes optimal circulation, reverses joint age, and burns lower belly fat while clearing away physical stiffness. Amazing job! You've successfully completed today's fat burning session. To lock in your fat loss and track your incredible progress, write day 1 done in the comments right now. See you tomorrow.